Hey friends, if you wish to set Brave Search as the default search engine in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and then go to Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now search for the word search engine and hit enter. And scroll down, click on change for the search engine. Okay, so you won't find Brave Search in the default list. Okay, so you have to click on this option here and you will have to click on add here. Okay, and you will have to add the name as search.brave.com and make it brave, and the same thing in the shortcut, and click on add. So this is how you can add a Brave Search as a search engine here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.